What's up, guys? It's Spam the Steampunk Nerfer, and today I have for you the Chrono Scripts from Greehas Gears. The link will be down in the description box below. Greehas was awesome, and he sent me a pair of the grips, and he also sent me this lovely, lovely long strike keychain. These Chrono Scripts are selling for about 15 bucks as of the time of this video. Pricing may change, never know. But these are solid 3D printed black grips that will go onto the back of the Chronos. Now, if you bear with me for 1 second, I actually have a couple of Chronoses that are brand new in box. Ta-da! I was actually lucky enough to actually stop by a Toys R Us up in Canuckistan when I was up there this past week, visiting Alice Coat Duck and, of course, doing some work. So this is also kind of almost a Chronos review as well. I know I did the Deadpool Chronoses, but I haven't really gotten a chance to play around with them. I've been way too busy. So, in the box, first and foremost, you get the blaster, you get the dart, or the rival balls, you get 5 of them, and of course you get, since it's Phantom Core, you get the red and blue flags, which, honestly, they don't really appeal to me at all. But the blaster, on the other hand, now that is a sexy piece of work. Love the decor. Love the styling. It's just, it's phenomenal branding, phenomenal advertising. The normal that you would expect from Hasbro. The only problem that I have is that they didn't deco both sides. Now, I am a huge, huge fan of the Deadpool Chronoses because they are decoed on both sides. But that's not what today's review is about. Today's review is about these Chronos grips. Let me go ahead and get the other blaster out really quick. Using my electrical snips for safety. Get that last rifle round out. Those will be lost within the next 5 minutes, I'm sure. Alright, second blaster is out. Now, to install these bad boys, you aren't going to need very much. You will need a screwdriver, and you will need a Chronos. Now, this is a little small. I am going to go grab my regular sized screwdriver. Be right back. Now, if anybody wonders, I've got a just standard P2, bit, Phillips head bit on here, and all I gotta do is unscrew. Now, the installation for these is super duper easy. That should be enough to get them to come out. There we go. Screws are out. So, installation, super simple. You prime the blaster. You slide your cover on. And that actually lines up really nice. And just drop the screws back in. Having a little trouble with this screw. This one screw does not want to go in. That's probably my own fault. There we go. Yep, my own fault. Wasn't pushing hard enough. Tighten to lock it down. And there we go. I'm going to throw a couple of the rival balls in here. Ooh, it's got some nice pop to it. And I'm going to go ahead and also install on my second Kronos. Also throw a ball in there. So installation for these, super duper simple. Anybody can do it. And these only go on one way, because you'll see that there's a little fat section here for the part of the slide. So, gotta make sure that I'm putting it on the right way. It goes all the way back and locks in. There we are, there's one, and there's number two. Super duper easy. So this one's already loaded. And I will actually open up one of these. Actually, you know what? I have some headshot ammo floating around here somewhere. There it is. Got my blue and white headshot ammo here. So I will go ahead and drop that in. Drop two open. That way I can fire this off. So now I have a matched pair of rival Kronoses that are super easy to actually dual wield now, because the slides have been the biggest issue that I've had when it comes to actually priming these and being able to fire. So now it's actually really easy to prime these bad boys. I absolutely love these grips. I'll have a link in the description box down below where you can get your very own pair of the Kronos grips from Greehas Gear. And as always, stay steamy, my friends. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications, and please leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. Stay steamy.